Here f of x is given for non-zero value for x not equals to 2 as 2 power x plus 2 minus 16 by 4 power x minus 16, and functional value is a at x is equals to 2. This function is continuous at x is equals to 2. Then we need to find the value of a. First of all, you just highlight this continuous at x is equals to 2. Since the function is continuous at x is equals to 2, by the definition of continuity, functional value at 2 f of 2 is equals to limit extending to 2 f of x. So now what is f of 2? As given function is a for x is equals to 2, f of 2 is a, so this is a, that a we need to find. This a is equals to limit x tending to 2 f of x. As x is tending to 2 in the sense x value is not equal to 2 and it is nearer to 2. Since it is not equal to 2, that's enough to use this first definition. So limit x tending to 2, 2 power x plus 2 minus 16 divided by 4 power x minus 16. Okay. And what is its limit value? Limit x tending to 2, 2 power x plus 2 minus 16 by 4 power x minus 16. Okay. So we have a formula, right? A power x minus 1 by x. So what we need to do? When you directly substitute x with 2, what will happen? When you directly replace x with 2, here 4 square is 16, 16 minus 16 is 0. Whereas when you replace directly 2 in the numerator, again it is 2 power 4, 16 minus 16, 0. So this is 0 by 0 format. Okay. And since it is 0 by 0 format, simply use L'Hospital's rule to find the limit value. That means you just write the derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. This is equals to limit extending to 2 power x plus 2. I think you all know the derivative for a power x. d by dx of a power x is simply a power x into log a to the base e. We will use this to find this particular limit. Okay. 2 power x plus 2. Its derivative is 2 power x plus 2 into log 2 to the base e into derivative of x plus 2 is simply 1 minus derivative of 16 is 0 divided by, in denominator, this is what? 4 power x into log 4 to the base e minus derivative of 16 is 0. So limit extending to 2 power x plus 2 into log 2 base e by 4 power x into log 4 base e. Okay. So minus 0 and minus 0, no need to mention, just leave it. And now directly when you substitute x, denominator won't give 0, numerator won't give 0. Directly the limit value is a determinant form. So you just accept directly by direct substitution. Left side it is a. So a is equals to, and in right side you just directly replace x with 2. So 2 power 2 plus 2 is 4 into log 2 to the base e divided by 4 power 2 into log 2 to the base e. Now when you observe 2 power 4 is 16, 4 square is 16, simply cancel out these two. And we have log 2 base e by log 4 base e. Since e is same, you just combine those two. A is equals to logarithm of 2 base 4. Further, use logarithms to simplify this. So, yeah, this is 4, right? This is 4, okay. Rewrite this 4 as 2 square. Since this 4 has 2 square, by the law of logarithm, write 2 out. So, this is equals to 1 by 2 into log 2 base 2. This is a. We know that log 2 base 2 is 1, and so a value is 1 by 2. That's the simple. First of all, since the function is continuous x is equals to 2 as given, functional value f of 2, which is a, is equals to limit value. To find limit value, we are just using L'Hospital rule. Means writing derivative of numerator as well derivative of denominator as extending to 2. With that idea, at the end our answer is 1 by 2. Okay? Have a look.